Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today's calendar is the mother of all advent calendars. This is the 2023 Vogue Festive Advent Calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you'll be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. This 2023 Vogue Festive Advent Calendar is a one of a kind. It's the first time that Vogue has ever released an advent calendar. Now this one is supposed to be super epic. It's of course another multi-brand advent calendar and it's valued at over 3,000 Australian dollars and retails for 700 Australian dollars. There's supposed to be 31 items inside, of which 20 are full size, 10 are minis, and there's one mystery Vogue collectible inside. Guys, I am actually so excited about this one. I ordered it back in the beginning of October or middle of October, and it's actually just arrived this week because I had it rerouted from the UK where it's from to the US, and then it had to get rerouted from the US to Australia. This one also weighs like a ton. It's 10 kilos and I had to DHL it to Australia. This calendar design is just so gorgeous. Each of the 25 days has a dedicated cover illustration which matches the early Vogue covers all the way back from 1916. Something else to note is that this calendar was only available to ship to the UK or the US. So having it here and rerouted to Australia means that I'm probably one of the very few in Australia to have my hands on this one. How exciting. So unfortunately, this one has also sold out. It just took so long to reroute this back to Australia for me to actually unbox this. I really wish that we could have unboxed this earlier, but given the time restraints, you know, it's now sold out. But what I will do is link a bunch of other calendars that are still available for you to check out, and hopefully you'll be able to get one of those before Christmas. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the first day. We have a Lily and Rue tiny heart necklace. Oh my gosh, what a very strong start to the advent. This is a beautiful 18 karat gold plated necklace with a really cute heart design. I love how subtle and classic this is, and this one actually retails for 175 AUD. What a beautiful start to the calendar. Day 2, and we have the full-size Olaplex No.3 Hair Perfector. Now this one is 100 mils and it retails for 54 AUD. This is an iconic hair product by Olaplex and is designed to be used as a treatment and left on for at least 10 minutes. This is something I already love and use and is part of my beloved hair care routine. I definitely recommend this one, especially if you have damaged hair. On day 3, we have the full-size Sarah Chapman London Skinesis Icon Day Smartsome Day Cream. This is 30 mils and it retails for 236 AUD. This is their groundbreaking day cream packed with both retinol and retinol, peptides, luminescent, blumellite, and hyaluronic acid. This is one potent day cream that really rejuvenates the skin. I also love that it smells of rose and jasmine. And honestly, this is a cream that I can't wait to try for after pregnancy. Let's check out day 4. We actually have 2 products and both of them are Hourglass. The first one is the Ambient Lighting Blush and we have the Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Now the blush is actually 1.3 grams and this retails for 45 AUD. The color here is called Diffused Heat and it's a gorgeous shade of pink that is pigmented and buildable. I haven't actually tried any of their blushes before, but this shade is just so gorgeous and the size of this is perfect for traveling. What I have tried before is their Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and this powder is iconic. Now this one is 2 grams and it retails for 40 AUD. This setting powder blurs pores and sets your makeup flawlessly. I genuinely really love this one, and again, this is the perfect travel size. Day 5 is the full-size Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Now this one is 50 grams and retails for 59 AUD. This is their award-winning multi-purpose cleanser. It's a 3-in-1 balm, oil, and cleansing milk. So there's 9 essential oils in this one, and honestly, it smells amazing. It smells like roses. I have always loved Elemis products, so I can't wait to try this one too. Wow, all the products so far has been winners. Let's check out number 6. So on day 6, we have the full-size REN Clean Skincare Atlantic Kelp and Microalgae Anti-Fatigue Toning Body Oil. Now this one is 100 ml and retails for 71 AUD. This is an oil that you massage onto freshly cleansed skin and is suitable for all over your body. This claims to tone and firm your skin. Okay, sign me up for this for after birth. Day 7 is, it's a bespoke Vogue silk eye mask. This is a beautiful exclusive print by Vogue and it's a lovely silk material. So this one was made by the brand Yoke, and their eye masks, which are silk, are usually retailing for 61 AUD. On day 8, we have the full-size Dr Barbara STM eye cream. This is 15 ml and retails for 214 AUD. This is an iconic anti-aging eye cream that targets dark circles, puffiness, and eye bags. I actually really love this eye cream so much. It's definitely a top grade eye cream in my books. Day 9 is the Sophie Titan Gold Hoops. Now this is another beautiful gold jewelry piece that we're getting from this advent, and it actually retails for 157 AUD. This is a classic gold hoop that's perfect for everyday use. I actually really love how lightweight these are, and honestly the last 9 days has all been winners, and it's just been back-to-back amazing products. On to day 10, and we have the full-size Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. Now this one is 50 ml and retails for 125 AUD. This is packed with hyaluronic acid, nourishing coconut extract, shea butter, and sunflower oil. This moisturizer is super lightweight and plumps up your skin. I cannot wait to try this one. Moving on to day 11, and we have the full-size Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. This is 10 ml and it retails for 48 AUD. I've had this one a few times from previous Charlotte Tilbury advents. I'm not really much of a mascara girl, but this is honestly one of their iconic products. And how cute is the packaging? Day 12 is, we have 2 products and they're both from Sisley. We have the mini Black Rose Cream Mask and the mini Lintragal Anti-Age Day and Night Cream. The Sisley mask is 10 ml and is an instant youth mask that smooths, plumps, and hydrates. So I do really like this mask. It is a luxe product for sure. The full size actually retails for 225 AUD. The Day and Night Cream is 5 ml and is an extremely nourishing anti-aging cream. The full size for this one actually retails for 690 AUD. Now both of these are travel size, so they are a little bit small, and this is probably the first day that I'm a little bit disappointed that these aren't bigger. Day 13 is the mini Love by Killian Don't Be Shy Eau de Parfum. This one is 7.5 ml, but the full size retails for 385 AUD. This is quite a popular scent and has beautiful orange blossom, honeysuckle, and rose notes. This is a really nice travel size, and honestly, the scent is so nice. On day 14, we have the full-size BBB London Clear Brow Gloss. This one is 5 ml and retails for 45 AUD. I actually always love a good brow gloss. So I haven't tried this one before, but I heard the results for this one is supposed to be looking as good as a brow lamination. I cannot wait to try this. Moving on to day 15, and we have the large Discotheque Crisco Disco Candle. Now this one is 145 grams, but the full size retails for 105 AUD. This has notes of blood orange, gardenia, frangipani, vanilla, sandalwood, and mandarin. I always love a good candle, and this one smells really sweet and musky. Day 16, and we have quite a few products. We have 4 minis from Clé de Peau. We have the mini softening cleansing foam, the mini protective fortifying emulsion, we have the mini UV protective cream, and we have the mini The Serum. The cleansing foam is 20 ml and the full size retails for 109 AUD. I like that this one is an antioxidant rich foaming face wash, and it's suitable for dry to normal skin types. The emulsion is 12 mils and the full size retails for 220 AUD. This is a lightweight moisturizer that has SPF, and it also works great as a primer base. The UV protective cream is 8 mils and the full size retails for 160 AUD. This cream has SPF 50+, protecting you against UVA and UVB rays. This also diminishes fine lines and gives you 10 hours of moisture while leaving no white cast. The last item is the serum, which is 7 mils and the full size retails for 440 AUD. This serum has 3 types of algae and triggers skin renewal and repair. I cannot wait to try all of these. On day 17, we have Aspinall of London. Oh my gosh. We have the slim leather credit card holder in Black Pebble. This is a gorgeous piece of leather. It actually retails for 140 AUD. I love the classic black color, and this is super lightweight too. This is such a nice treat to see in a calendar. It's so unique and different from all the other calendars that I've been opening. Day 18 is the White Company Cashmere Bed Socks. This one retails for 57 AUD. Honestly, these are the most luxurious bed socks I've ever felt. The cashmere material is so lush, and it feels really lightweight too. I cannot wait to try this during our winter time. Moving on to day 19, and we have the Mini Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. This one is a mini, it's 50 mils and retails for 30 AUD. This is an anti-frizz cream that works as a leave-in conditioner. I have always heard great things about Oribe, so I'm really excited to try this cream out. We are on to day 20, and we have the full size The Seated Queen Infinite Ointment. This one is 15 mils and retails for 50 AUD. The ointment relieves dryness and restores balance. It can be used for your face and your body. So I've only ever tried the cold cream from this brand, but I always love that this brand gives multi-purpose items. Next up we have day 21, which is the Foreo UFO Mini Device LED Therapy Mask. Oh my goodness, we have been so spoiled with this. This is amazing. This one actually retails for 229 AUD. We got this in the mint color, and it actually comes with something else here, which is also the Foreo Glow Addict Enhanced Brightening Pearl Infused Mask. Now this device is actually a 90-second facial treatment, and it targets dehydration, loss of elasticity, and uneven skin tone. It enhances skin absorption of ingredients, stimulates collagen production, evens out skin tone, and more. This is definitely a winning device, and I'm so glad to see this in here. I can't wait to try it, and it's also great for all skin types. On to day 22, and we have the full size Hair by Sam McKnight Bigger Love Volumizing Mask. This one is 50 mils and retails for 97 AUD. This is a treatment mask that thickens strands and creates volume and fullness. This is meant to be their new formula, so I'm keen to try this one out. Day 23 is the full size Votary Brightening Hyaluronic Serum. This one is 50 mils and retails for 170 AUD. The serum actually nourishes your skin whilst exfoliating dead skin cells and also minimizing hyperpigmentation. This brightening serum is infused with bitter orange flower water, lemon fruit water, blueberry fruit, sugar cane, daffodil flower, sugar maple, orange and lemon fruit extracts, along with hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid. I really like that this one tackles hyperpigmentation. I cannot wait to try this one. Second last day, and we have the full size Neom Perfect Night Sleep Candle. This is 185 grams and retails for 70 AUD. This candle has English lavender, sweet basil, and jasmine notes. It's definitely got really strong lavender notes, which would definitely help with your sleep. We are on to the last day, and we have V by Laura Van Vintage Link Gold Chain Bracelet. Now we have another jewelry piece, and this one is actually retailing for 357 AUD. It's an 18 karat yellow gold plated solid sterling silver chain bracelet with a beautiful design. This is such a strong finish to the calendar. So I know that this is supposed to come with a mystery Vogue collectible as part of this calendar purchase, but I actually can't find it anywhere in here, so I think it's missing. I've found out that the mystery collectible is actually a Vogue print. Definitely did not see it in my parcel, so I've gone ahead and emailed the team to see what's going on. So what did we think of this year's Vogue Festive Advent Calendar? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, I think this is the calendar to beat this year. It had a unique mix of skincare, makeup, jewelry, homewares, hair care, and of course, fashion pieces. And also, this is the highest value out of all the Advents I've unboxed this year. And not only that, but the design of the actual Advent calendar box is a beautiful tribute to the beginnings of Vogue. I am so glad that I was able to be part of their first release. As mentioned earlier though, unfortunately, due to having this rerouted from the UK to the US to Australia, it has taken so long for me to be able to unbox this for you guys. And unfortunately, that means that this calendar is another one that's already sold out. I will, however, link other calendars below for you to check out, so hopefully you can still secure a calendar before Christmas. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!